Hello, everyone, and welcome back to United States English Channel, where learning English is easy and fun. I'm Emily.
Hello, Emily, and hello to all our friends listening today. It is wonderful to be back here with you.
It really is. It is my favorite time of the week. How are you today, Adam?
I am doing very well, thank you, but I have a small problem.
A problem? Oh no, what is wrong?
Well, look at me. My hair. It is a mess.
Oh, Adam, I see what you mean. Your hair is very long today.
Yes, it is in my eyes. It is over my ears. I look like a bear.
You do look a little bit like a friendly bear, but don't worry. This is perfect for our topic today.
Really? What is our topic?
Today, we're going to talk about going to the beauty salon and the barbershop.
Ah, that is perfect. I really need to learn these words.
Yes, we will talk about haircuts, styling, and even fixing your nails. Self-care.
Self-care. I like that word. Taking care of yourself.
Exactly. It is very important to feel good and look good.
I agree. But before we start cutting my hair, we have something to ask our listeners.
Yes, we do. If you like learning English with us, please click the like button on this video and subscribe to United States English. It helps us a lot.
And share this episode with your friends. Maybe a friend who needs a haircut.
Yes, share it with your messy friends.
Okay, Emily, I am ready. Help me.
Okay, Adam. For you, we usually talk about a barbershop.
A barber shop. That is for men, right?
Yes, usually a barber is the person who cuts men's hair.
And for women, it is a beauty salon.
Yes, or just the salon. And the person who cuts my hair is a hairdresser or a stylist.
Barber for me, hairdresser for you. Got it. So I walk into the barber shop. What do I say?
First, do you have an appointment?
Appointment. You mean a reserved time?
Yes, popular barbers are very busy. You should call before you go and say, I'd like to make an appointment for a haircut.
I would like to make an appointment. Okay, that is a good phrase.
But sometimes you can just walk in. We call that a walk-in.
I like walk-ins. I am not very organized with time.
I know, Adam. So, you sit in the big barber chair. It goes up and down.
I love that chair. It is fun. And they put a cloth over you to keep your clothes clean.
We call that a cape.
Like Superman?
Exactly.
So the barber asks, "What are we doing today?" Or, "How do you want it?" This is the hard part, Emily. I never know what to say. I get nervous.
Don't be nervous. You can use simple words. If you want a small cut, say, just a trim, please.
Trim. What does trim mean exactly?
A trim means cutting only a little bit, just the ends, to make it neat.
Ah, okay. So a trim is safe. He will not cut everything off.
Exactly. But look at your hair, Adam. You need more than a trim.
You are right. I need a real haircut. I want it short.
So you can say short on the sides and a little longer on top.
Short on the sides, longer on top. Classic style.
Yes. The barber might use scissors or clippers.
Clippers, the electric machine?
Yes, they make that buzzing sound. When the barber cuts all very short with clippers, we call that a buzz cut.
No, I don't want a buzz cut. I want to keep some hair.
Then maybe you want a fade.
A fade? What is that?
The hair is very short at the bottom near your neck and gets longer going up, like it fades from short to long.
Ooh, that sounds modern. I might try that.
You should. It looks very clean.
And my beard, what can the barber do?
The barber can do a shave or a beard trim to make it tidy.
I need a beard trim too. I really look like a bear today.
A handsome bear.
Thank you, Emily.
Now, what about you? What do you do at the salon?
I love the salon. It is so relaxing.
Relaxing? Why?
First, they wash my hair.
They wash it for you?
Yes, I sit in a special chair and put my head back into a special sink.
I know that sink. It looks uncomfortable.
Sometimes it is, but the water is warm and they use nice shampoo. And the best part, they give a head massage.
A head massage? Wow.
It is amazing. I almost fall asleep.
Don't sleep in the sink, Emily.
I try not to. After washing, they use conditioner to make the hair soft. Then we go to the mirror and talk about the haircut.
Talking? About what?
Everything. Life, work, family. It's great practice for English learners too.
True.
I usually get a cut and a blow dry.
That is with the hot air machine?
Yes, the hair dryer. They use a brush and dryer to make the hair smooth and full of volume.
And what if you want to change your color?
That is called dyeing your hair.
Dye, like painting?
Yes, you can dye it black, brown, red, even blue. Or you can get highlights,
Highlights?
small, lighter pieces of hair, like the sun touched your hair.
Nice. I have some gray lights.
Gray hair is very distinguished, Adam.
I call it silver.
Very fancy.
So, what else happens at the salon?
Manicure and pedicure. A manicure is for hands and fingernails. A pedicure is for your feet and toenails.
Be honest, is a manicure for men?
Adam, everyone has hands and nails. It's healthy. They clean the nails, shape them with a nail file, and cut them with clippers.
I hate when a nail catches on clothes.
Exactly why you need a manicure. For women, we sometimes add nail polish, colors like red, pink, blue,
What color do you have today?
light pink, simple and cute.
Nice, but I don't think I want color.
That's fine. You can get clear polish, no color, just shine, or you can buff the nails to make them naturally shiny.
A buffed manicure. That sounds perfect for me.
You would like it.
And the pedicure?
Wonderful. They soak your feet in warm water and massage them.
Okay, you convince me. I want a pedicure.
Great self-care, Adam.
So, self-care is not just about looking good?
No, it is about feeling good. When your hair is fresh and your nails are clean, you feel confident.
Yes. When I leave the barber shop, I walk tall. I look in the mirror and say, wow, who is that handsome man?
Exactly. It changes your day. It is a small change, but a big feeling.
Let's review the keywords.
Barbershop or salon, barber or hairdresser.
Trim, buzz cut, fade, dye, highlights.
Manicure and pedicure. And the most important tool,
The photo.
yes, don't forget the photo.
Emily, I think I will go to the barber shop this afternoon.
You should get a trim, a fade, and a beard trim.
I will. I will be a new Adam.
I love old Adam, but new Adam will be great too.
Friends, thank you for listening. We hope you learned useful new words. Tell us in the comments. Do you prefer long hair or short hair? And do you like going to the salon?
Please subscribe, like, and share this video. It helps us continue making podcasts for you.
Have a beautiful day.
Stay beautiful. See you next time.
Bye.